Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our headlight for a Jeep Wrangler, replacing LED light, and also we did our backup camera that it goes to the back of spare tire, which is perfectly centered, and we add our interface video
If his technical capacity was absolutely huge, difference left foot, he always gave birth to new
that it does it unlocks DVD in motion. So basically by going to reverse or DVD or drive, you can still watch the DVD. Right now I'm on drive and still can watch. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera. If you're interested to get this type of unit, you can buy it online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and we can install the unit. This unit can fit in any MyGig radio, any Dodge, Chrysler or Jeep unit that it comes with MyGig radio. We do have the parts for it. Thank you and have a great day.